think sometimes we forget that, and we should react accordingly.
I just want to clarify. Are you saying, though, that it is the president's position that Ukraine can conduct long-range strikes into Russia, that has been authorized by the president?
I think reading what he has said and reading what Vice President Vance has said, as well as Secretary Rubio, the answer is yes. Use the ability to hit deep. There are no such things as sanctuaries. That's one of the reasons I believe that this last week, and it has been confirmed, that President Zelensky asked President Trump to get Tomahawk missiles, which give you a depth. They're really good systems. America makes the best systems in the world.
Are we giving him the Tomahawks?
Well, that decision has not been made, but he's asked. I know that President Zelensky did, in fact, ask for them, which was confirmed by a social media post by Vice President Vance. That's going to be up to the president to do it.
Okay. General Keith Kellogg, thank you very much for your time. Always a pleasure talking to you, sir.
Thanks, Jackie. Thanks for having me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, coming up next.
Gündəlik hadisələrdən xəbərdar olmaq üçün bizi izləyin. Söz altında yox, göz altıda qalan.